Alright, hello people, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well tonight. Today we are going to do a little night drive. I just got off work, and yeah, let's first do a cold start so you guys can hear the goodness. I turn them heated seats on. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what happened there, a little hiccup. A nice little cold start. If you guys are new here, my name is Michael and this is my 2012 Audi S4. For those of you that don't know, and yeah, this is what I daily drive every single day, everywhere I go. The gym, work, road trips, driving hard and doing all the things. Yeah, you guys, I want to record this quick video. It's raining out here, but I think we can get a pretty good video tonight. While the car warms up, I want to tell you guys that I got a few things coming in. We are going to be installing a big brake kit, and yeah, I haven't really posted anything on them yet because I don't have all the parts. And when I do have all the parts, and I want to make a quick video showing you guys. But yeah, turn on the post notifications and subscribe, because on the next few days I'm gonna be showing you guys a list of all the parts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm waiting for the car to warm up here. Once it warms up, we're gonna head out. Thank you guys for the 230 subscribers I think that I have. Yeah, it's been pretty cool, you guys. So let's cut to me getting on the road right now. All right, boys and girls, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching the video. This is S4, looks really nice. And then we're at the Porsche dealership right now. It's a nice Porsche right there. But anyways, you guys, if you guys like that video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video, and peace out and God bless.